This is where I work. This is 77 acres. 77 acres right here. 77 acres.
Oh,
Squash,
okay. So it's squashed in.
Yeah.
And is the model realistic as to how it looks?
Some are and most are not. I try to buy the closest thing
Sure.
to whatever is available, you know, that may look like that. And there used to be a building down where the baseball field is now, and that. This is, let's see, this is a station I cut off. There's another one, looks just like this somewhere else, but this one, so it would fit, would go in there, and up there. And
What is R.I. Obama?
R.I. Obama, Rio Bamba.
Oh, Rio Obama. Okay.
Yeah, Rio Bamba. Yeah, this was all my wife's soaps, soap stuff. Yeah.
Oh, it's like a factory that's
Yes,
out there. And,
right, yeah, they're making soap here. And it's like building 22, all of this is building 22. We have a lot of chemical callers coming here and box cars and stuff. And it comes all the way back into here. And it goes in there, it goes under here and back that way. And eventually it goes down that wall way over there, and then it works its way back around and comes back around, comes out here, and comes back underneath here. I can lift this piece out right now. It's not in here right. It fits better in it. Oh boy, if I make a couple doors for each one of those, I could have the same thing. Here's my wife's old stocking containers.
Improvise.
Yeah, and like this was one of my friends who has passed already. It's John Garrity, and all these, I had a room next door full of tracks with cars, but my son has moved in with us.
No small person.
So this is the yard.
Photograph it?
Yeah.
Or
Yeah.
we have people come in with cameras, you know, follow the train
Yeah.
around. Whatever you want to do.
And you know, we can help you as well. You know, so I'll never do anything like this, but I can be your assistant and help you with things.
Sure.
Like that.
Hey. Want to have an open house or something,
Yeah.
you know? For my birthday and Christmas and holidays, my wife would give me a couple trees. And this is a music box. So I got a lot of stumps. New Providence right here. And I buy one of this and one of that, and then I make some of the ones that
Deodorants.
you know. And my grandson's been running them around. They're a little bit mixed up now, but I tried to follow a theme where they follow, you know, where they go so far and they be sure they'll be getting coal, be able to get sand, be able to get water, so far all the way around, you know, there'll be areas like that. And back here I got a hobo camp. Back in here, the hobos are made a camp where they spend their evenings. Back in there, I don't know. And right now there's a tunnel that goes over there, but when we had a short or something, we had to get up in the ceiling. And I haven't put the other piece back since I'm feeling a little better. But as it comes around, it comes from the bottom, goes around the underneath here. This is second level right here. And they have water, sand, and I don't see coal here. Probably maybe have a coal eventually there for them. grandson kind of likes steam engines. Because the whole 3-bedroom house upstairs was empty. So they go, hey, might as well move in there, you know, why pay rent somewhere? So how old the ties are? They used to drive in a nail with a date on them.
So 4 tracks here.
But while I was in the hospital, a whole, like one of them was a B&O, 7. I don't know how many cars were in my train. Like I could count the green ones, and I'll know somebody just took out a whole row of my B&O cars. Okay, yeah, that's up. This was a Sears and Roebuck's kit, and he closed it up because there wasn't. I know they lived in North College Hill before there was, I guess, electric going out there. It was horse and buggy days when my grandparents lived out there in North College Hill. It was, I kind of wrecked some of the smaller boats, you know. And, the name of the railroad is Twin Valley and Meadow Ridge, and I put my own initials on a lot of cars.
So that's the name of the entire railroad.
Right. Mm-hmm.
Twin Valley and Meadow
Ridge. Twin Valley's the street we live on, and Meadow Ridge is the one across the street. And for instance, let's see, which houses? See these 2 houses right here? They're exactly the same, the white one and the brown one, tops, but they're turned backwards. And I put a different porch on the other one on the back, and so it doesn't look like the same kit. And my brother worked for the city, and he was in charge of like the maintenance of road maintenance, and so I had to have something like that. So that's why those are there. And I don't know if you ever heard of The African Queen. That's a pretty famous movie, and they made a kit of it. And have you been up to, let's see, oh man, I forgot the name of the park. There's a park up in Michigan, and they have all the famous buildings of people. This was the one where the light bulb was discovered.
Oh yeah, you mean the Henry Ford, where he collected all the buildings from around the nation.
Right, right.
With Edison.
Right, right. That's it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is a building where the light bulb was discovered.
So it's a very historical, but also linked with your own family history or your workplace.
Please?
It's historical and linked with your own history and life.
Yes, sort of. Yeah. That building right there, Carter's brother was in charge of that building. He was the CEO of that building. He gave me that for a Christmas present.
You mean the one with the glass?
Yeah, he brought that down from New York. That building really sits up in New York.
Huh.
In Fort Lee, matter of fact, he sits in Fort Lee. And I made a train terminal out of it.
And it was the right scale.
Huh? Yeah. Well, yeah, it's a, you know, windows could be any scale, you know, just about. So, if you put cars that are at the right scale, you got it, you know. And the red building with the green roof, that was Betsy Ross's house. The next one was Paul Revere's. Next one was John Adams. Next one was Adams' house. I found those. I found a book of cardboard. Those are all cardboard, but most of the things are all plastic. But those are cardboard. But I just wanted to have those for that town is showing those off, like, you know. And those that 3-story baskets. Those are all wash things that my wife had to carry the wash in.
Oh yeah, I see that.
And I turned them into the Horseman apartments. And that's our house up on top with an elevator that gets up the side. Oh.
Registering. Your dad was born in. Your dad was born in Schöningen,
Yes. Germany.
Germany.
Uh-huh.
So yeah, I love it because it's a combination of real history and your own history.
Right. Right. Yep. And they do your electrical work for you. Now, for instance, if I want to run, I had 32 engines. I pull this thing out, and this one will run number 6, engine number 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's see. Somebody took a souvenir. One. Anyway, where does this go? It goes in one of these holes. There's 4. What number did I say? This was 6, 4, 5, 6. This, pull that out and you stick that in.
Ah,
here.
okay.
And this gives you the speed, and this gives you the direction. And this is a,
So it's all digital.
yes, yeah.
So that's 16. Okay, I see. Showing to the camera.
Whew. I haven't been on my feet very long.